Hey there, art enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phenomenon that's taking the art world by storm, the hashtag OneWeek100People challenge. This global initiative, co-founded by Liz Steele and Marc Taro Holmes, is a testament to the power of creativity and community. But it's so much more than just a drawing challenge. It's a journey of self-discovery, a way to connect with the world, and a celebration of the beauty in everyday life. Imagine, if you will, the vibrant streets of Sydney or the thawing lanes of Montreal. In these bustling cities, our co-founders can often be found, sketchbooks in hand, capturing the essence of humanity. It's a unique perspective, one that invites us to slow down, observe, and appreciate the little details that make life so rich. Now, you might be thinking, why 100 people in a week? Well, my friends, it's all about the magic of momentum. By setting an ambitious goal, the challenge encourages artists to draw without self-criticism. It's a liberating experience, a chance to focus on the process rather than the outcome. And let me tell you, the results are truly inspiring. Quincy Nadell, an artist and mother from Chicago, puts it beautifully. For her, the challenge is like exposure therapy for her perfectionism. It's a way to reconnect with the world, to notice the beauty in the ordinary, and to find a sense of presence in a digital age. Her sketchbook becomes a record of her here moments, a reminder of the richness of real-life experiences. But it's not just about the art itself. The slowness of sketching, as Holmes puts it, changes the way we process our surroundings. It's an active, creative engagement with the world, a way to truly see and appreciate the little details that often go unnoticed. Steele describes it as a tactile relationship with the environment, where the world comes alive around her as she sketches. Now, you might be wondering, how can I get involved? Well, the beauty of this challenge is its accessibility. Anyone can join, regardless of skill level. It's about the journey, the process, and the personal growth that comes with it. Steele and Holmes emphasize that success is defined by the act of trying, by pushing yourself to sketch more than usual. So, my fellow artists and explorers, I encourage you to give it a go. Pick up that sketchbook, find a cozy spot, and start observing. Let the world unfold before your eyes, and capture its essence on paper. Who knows, you might just discover a new passion, a deeper connection with your surroundings, and a more grateful perspective on life. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and remember, there's beauty in the ordinary. Closing thought, a simple sketch can tell 1,000 stories. Let's unlock those stories together.